everyone, in today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to add a logo to your Canva design. So right now we're inside Canva design, so you might be working on a project or maybe you've just added an image and now you want to include your logo. So adding a logo is useful if you want to brand your design, whether it's your own logo or something you're creating for a client. For example, I usually edit my logo to show that the design was created by me or represents my brand or our brand. Now, there are different ways you can place and style your logo depending on how you want it to look. So, you can make it very visible or you can keep it subtle and low key. So, to get started, go over to the left hand side panel, look for Upload Files. So, tap on Upload Files and look for your logo and double tap on it. Now, Canva will start uploading your logo and you'll see the progress on the screen. Now, after the upload is complete, simply click on the logo and it will automatically appear in your design. So from here, you can customize it. Click and drag the logo to move it anywhere on your canvas. You can also resize it by dragging the corners just like this. You can make it bigger, smaller, or whatever you want. So place it whatever you prefer. It could be in the corner, the center, or anywhere that fits your design. Just like that. Now, another option is to use a transparent logo. So, to do that, just upload another version of your logo that doesn't have a background. Now, once uploaded, click on it to add it to your design, just like that. So, as you can see, it has no background now. So, you'll notice that it blends better since there's no white background behind it or black background behind it. Now, just like before, you can move and resize however you like. If your logo does have a background, Canva also has a background remover tool, but keep in mind this feature may require a pro subscription. So if you're on paid subscription and you want to remove the background of your logo, to do that, just click on your logo right here. Tap on your logo and at the top, tap on BG Remover. And as you can see, it will remove the background instantly. Next, if you want your logo to look more subtle, you can adjust its transparency. So click on the logo, then go to the top menu and select transparency. From there, you can lower the opacity to make your logo less noticeable and more blended into the design, just like that. And that's basically it. That's how you can easily add and customize a logo in Canva. Thanks for watching.